Hey kids, welcome to Ideal Moral Magic. Today we will hear a speech that many of us will relate to. It's about a young boy, Arjun, who learned to manage his time inspired by his grandfather. So let's get started. So when Arjun saw his grandfather making time for yoga every morning despite running a busy hospital, he wondered how and told, I barely manage school and cricket practice and you handle an entire hospital, mentor young doctors, spend time with family and still find time for yoga and reading. His grandfather smiled and said, time management is not about squeezing more activities into each day. It's about aligning your time with your values. Arjun was introspecting after his conversation with his grandfather. Between preparing for upcoming exams, cricket tournaments, and helping organize the school science exhibition, he felt constantly rushed. Despite being busy all day, he didn't feel satisfied with what he was accomplishing. During a career counseling session, his counselor asked an interesting question. Fast forward 10 years, what do you want to remember about your time in school? This made Arjun think. He didn't want to remember just rushing from one activity to another. He wanted to remember really learning, not just studying for tests. He wanted to improve his cricket skills, not just attend practice. Most importantly, he wanted to remember meaningful time with friends and family. Arjun started examining how he used his time. Then he noticed he spent hours and hours on social media without really connecting with friends. He attended cricket practice, but often didn't focus on improving specific skills. He studied long hours, but often while watching TV, which reducing both his learning and enjoyment. Taking inspiration from his grandfather, Arjun created what he called his time value map. Instead of just listing activities and times, he connected each activity to his long-term goal and values. Study time wasn't just about completing the syllabus, it was about developing understanding. Cricket practice became about improving specific skills. Even leisure time was planned more meaningfully. The changes were subtle but significant. He started studying without his phone nearby, allowing deeper concentration, and he spent less time on social media but more quality time with friends. During cricket practice, he focused on improving one skill at a time. His grandfather noticed the change and he observed and said, "You seem less rushed but more productive." Then Arjun smiled and replied, I learned from you only. It's not about managing time. It's about managing ourselves in time. Dear kids, this inspiring story reminds us that managing time isn't about cramming every hour with tasks, but about spend our time meaningfully.